You hear all these stories about people making lots of money in real estate and you're trying to figure out what is the best move for you. Well, if you're looking to buy that forever home or maybe your next property and you want to be on that bandwagon of getting large sums of cash in real estate, you might want to check out this video today because this is going to be everything you need to know about a live-in fix and flip. So when it comes time to make that next move, you can buy a home that's slightly distressed, increase the value yourself, and reap the benefits. This is everything you need to know about the live-in fix and flip strategy. My name's Shawn McEnteer. I'm the team leader of the Living in North Jersey real estate team. I'm getting phone calls, texts, emails every single day from people just like you looking to invest, buy, sell, and especially house hack in northern New Jersey. So you don't miss a beat on future videos, make sure you click subscribe so you're the first to know about everything that's happening here in the Garden State. Today's video is going to be everything you need to know about the live and fix and flip strategy and why this property that we're closing on for my clients is a perfect candidate to meet those needs of getting to your real estate goals. My wife and I accidentally fell into this strategy on our first property. We knew we wanted to invest, did not know how to invest, but fortunately, we knew we wanted to find a property that we could renovate ourselves and update because we knew the power of equity. We bought that property, then ended up selling it a couple years later and had a pretty good hefty amount of cash to then essentially buy our next property, which was a duplex house hack. So what made us get to that house hack was the property we bought originally and the equity that we got from it. Why is a live and fix and flip such an important strategy? Well, at the end of the day, you have some really awesome tax benefits. Really the big one is when you live in a primary property for 2 of the last 5 years, you can get that money that when it comes time to sell that property, you are tax-free up to $250,000 if you're single, $500,000 if you're married. So you don't have to pay taxes on that money. So it is just awesome cash in your pocket that you can leverage either for your next purchase, like my wife and I did. But what does it take to get large sums of cash? Now look, you have the natural process of appreciation, which is great, love it. Not gonna complain there, but really it's forced appreciation. And that's what's gonna come into play here for the live and fix and flip strategy. So as we tour this property, I'm gonna be going through what makes this such an awesome candidate. And I'll say right now, right off the bat, you got these floors. I mean, come on, we've got I don't even know what color that is, like a maroon or brown, I don't know, carpet, it's old, it's dated. There's carpet in the bathrooms. Yeah, let's see, some of the tile work. Yeah, wallpaper, a little bit outdated. It's dark, it's gloomy. So, what my clients are gonna do here is they're gonna put some recessed lights in. They're gonna be obviously taking out the carpet here, doing some updating with the painting, doing a lot of these things that really brighten this place up. Now, the home itself is structurally in great shape. It really is. There's not much of a concern here. You could move in and live here right away, which my clients are gonna be doing. They're gonna actually be moving in, renovate while they're living here and going through all that process. So it's not like this house is falling apart or being condemned or anything like that. It's a very, very well-maintained home. It's just a little bit dated. So they're gonna be reaping the benefits by updating things substantially. For instance, let's check out this kitchen. It's in great working condition. It really is. Nothing wrong with the cabinets and everything. It's just old, old cabinets. So, some of the things we're gonna be doing here is probably doing some tile work, obviously replacing the cabinets, do some reconfiguring, open up the wall a little bit, maybe I'll see into that living room, which is a key factor with a live-in fix and flip, is little things that you can do is open up walls because it doesn't change the square footage of the house, but visually it's like an optical illusion. You think the room is twice the size than it actually is because you open things up. So always looking to do little things like that. Something that is absolutely crucial, I love to find, that is such a quick and easy fix is hardwood underneath the carpet. All right, so we got carpet. Carpet was the thing. I mean, that's the way people went back in the day, but I'll tell you, hardwood is so desirable right now. Tear this up, pull it back, sand the floors, put some new finish down, and it is a night and day difference. So looking at this now, some of the strategies and things to talk about here that's so crucial is finding a property that is distressed, but doesn't have to be super distressed. Does not have to be falling down, doesn't have to be additions. It just has to be updates where now a couple years later, because my clients are gonna be moving in, they're gonna be here for at least 2 years, maybe 3, but they are intending to sell and move on. So they're gonna sell this property and all the renovations that they do are going to be tax-free when they sell it with the capital gains. So that is what's so great about this. You put some money into the property and properties tend to multiply in return. If you put $50,000, you tend to get a lot more money back in equity of the home when it comes time to sell the property, because most people want a turnkey property that they are literally just gonna move right into and go on with their life. So if you're open-minded to renovating and doing the work, you can reap the benefits big time. Why don't you drop a comment below if you're on board with renovating a property. Just say, I love renovating properties because that's something my wife and I love doing. Let's keep going through this place. See a little bit more of what is happening. We're in Morris County. Now you can do this strategy anywhere in northern New Jersey. We find live-in fix and flips all over the place. Yes, it's carpet still in the bathroom. I don't know. We got the green countertops. Okay. I think it's a little outdated. But once again, it's in great condition. Here we go. Ocean blue carpet. Hardwood underneath. Yep, you know the story. And I'm not gonna say what type of green that looks like, but yeah, it's not the best. So you don't miss out on future videos, make sure you click subscribe, because we're always talking about investing, creative ways of making money, creative ways for house hackers, all that kind of stuff, and you want to make sure that you learn about it. Click subscribe so you don't miss out on that. But yeah, right here, this property is really exactly what we're looking for when it comes time to buy a live-in fix and flip. You don't have to go crazy. Now look, when you do the inspection, some things will come up. Nothing really wild on this one property came up here. You know, there's a couple mechanical things, the roof is older, but it's all in good condition. It's just older things. So you just want to be aware that when it does come time to buy a live-in fix and flip, you might not be getting the top of the line house, but that's why you're gonna pay slightly less, and then you're gonna be turning into that top of the line house where you're gonna sell it for substantially more in a couple years. Now what's happening over time here, you have obviously the forced appreciation and then the natural appreciation. So you got multiple things working in your favor. Obviously you need a place to live, so you're not paying rent to a landlord, you are paying yourself essentially through the mortgage and all that kind of stuff, and then you really win big once it comes time to sell. So for more videos like this, make sure you click subscribe, and I'm gonna see you on the next one.